Hi, welcome to Excel magic trick number 1. So today I'm going to show you some tricks on how you can be able to freeze the panel and just one or two things. So the first thing that I want you to see is that I've got this data. It has been given to me, but the numbers, like for instance in this one, I've got this computer number, but the numbers are not adding up the way they have been lined up. So what I want to do is to be able to see the number fully. So usually when you get this error, know that usually it's because the size of the cell is not wide enough to host the number. So there are two things you can do. You can come and drag the the cell, that is by coming between the two columns, or the other way you can do this is just to come between the column, in this case is C and D, then double click, then it will widen to the longest content of the cell in that column. Okay, so it's the same thing with these numbers here. You just double click or drag and it will show you the details in that cell. Okay, so let's widen up all our columns just to see all that is in there. Okay, so this is the data for our students, Acute Plus students. So what we want to do is this: we want to freeze the top panel such that when we are scrolling our data, this list, the list on top here, this one, which shows me the titles for each column, should be freezed. Even if I scroll down, it should remain positioned where it is. Okay, so to do this, you highlight the first column. To highlight the first column, you can click on the number in the rows. If you click on the number of rows, it will highlight the whole row. Then you can go to view, under view, go to freeze panel. Okay, when you go to freeze panel, click on the drop down, then go to freeze top row. So if you click on that one, if I come to scroll my data, my top row is freezed. Okay, that was our trick. See you in the next trick.